Hello people, today I'm going to explain you about Lenovo Fab 2 Pro, which is a brand new phone of Lenovo, and this phone has a cool feature called augmented reality. I know most of you people were still in a dilemma that what is augmented reality and what is virtual reality. I'll explain you in detail in this video. Now, this is my blog and this is the article which I have updated in my blog, and to go to my blog just click my tech news update.blogspot.in, and here you go, we'll visit my blogspot site. And now you can give a thumbs up for me here so that I can give you more updates each day. And back to my page, we'll learn about Lenovo Fab 2 Pro. Yeah, what is so special about this Lenovo phone? Yeah, this is very special phone from Lenovo because it has Google Tango enabled in it. And what is Google Tango? Yeah, this particular smartphone has a technology that made by Google, and it is having augmented reality, gaming and utilities in it. And uh, I know you will be asking me about what is augmented reality. Yeah, I'll explain you what is augmented reality. How many of you have played this game called Pokemon Go? And I know most of you are still addicted to this game. And now let me explain you augmented reality. Yeah, while we play Pokemon Go also, the game is fully based on augmented reality. That is, we can see the objects from the phone camera, but there will be nothing present outside in the real world. But in virtual reality, if we use the virtual reality glasses or some other thing, then we will have like, if we put on the glasses, then we can't see the normal real world, but we'll go into a virtual reality world. But in this augmented reality, it's not like that. We can see the normal world with some augmented objects inserted in it. And this Pokemon Go is also based on the same concept. Okay, and this is the basic thing of augmented reality. And so, what is the use of augmented reality? Yes, I'll explain you the use of augmented reality first, and then we'll get back to the impressive specifications which this Lenovo smartphone is having. Yeah, let's get a video from YouTube, and yeah, I will be explaining. Look this video. He is having the Lenovo new smartphone, that is Fab 2 Pro, and he is just focusing the edges of the down that one matte, and so that he can modify that matte in that Lenovo smartphone. See now what he is doing. He's opening an application in which he will just spot the edges of the matte, and then he can customize his own matte there. I think he will be changing the color of the matte. Yeah, he made it. He changed the color. You can see the color down is different, the color in his phone is different. Now he'll be putting a chair upon it. Yeah, this is the chair. You can make the chair, you can view the chair on 360 degrees, and then you can also zoom it. It is as simple as that if you watch it with your own eyes. Yeah, this is what happens with the augmented reality. This is much more high level than the virtual reality. It is very good. Yeah, this is the Lenovo Tango, Google Tango enabled in the Lenovo smartphone. Yeah, let's get back to blog. Yeah, I said I'll explain you about the specifications. Yeah, the specification, this phone has got the best specifications of the Lenovo phone. It is having Marshmallow and RAM of 4 GB, and then it is having display resolution type Quad HD, which is a brand new thing. And then these are the other details, and you can You know what is the best thing of this Lenovo phone? This is available for just $499. This is the price in USA, and there's a good news for all the Indians. That is, it is just 30,000 rupees, which is less than the USA price. And now this is the main reason why you have to buy this. This is very useful for the people who are working in the field of architecture and like construction building. You can directly measure the distance between two spots, like two edges, without any measuring tape. You believe me, this is gonna be awesome. And then Flipkart is managing this in India, and Amazon, it is available on Amazon. And then what are the other features? The display is 6.4. It is very huge and it looks classy. The primary cam is 16 megapixels, and it has 64 GB of internal space. The processing speed is 1.8 gigahertz. This is good. And the others are like, it has a fingerprint sensor and ROM 64. Then camera features. Yeah, camera features, the main thing which you have to focus on, because it is enabled with AR camera, that because which it has got all this hype in this time. So this is the best thing for the architecture, and not only architecture, the normal people also can buy this, but they may not use it completely. But then for the people who work on fields, it is the best thing. They don't ever need all these normal tapes or something to measure the heights. You can go to the site of this Lenovo, and you can view it, or otherwise you can go to the YouTube and just type Lenovo Fab 2 Pro working or hands-on session. Then they will explain you very clearly how it is working. Okay, this is all about Lenovo Fab 2 Pro. Yeah, thank you, and give a thumbs up if you like.